Good morning. It's 7:16 and we're out on the riverfront street to check out the view before heading to get some breakfast. And the place we're staying is inside this alley. Oh my goodness, too cute. For you.
No, it hurt.
Matthew, he likes you. Hi. Once again, this is the Mekong River. Wow, this is a beautiful morning view. Right? I'm so happy to share it with you. Ew. Okay. We're gonna head out to the morning market and grab breakfast there before starting our day. It's the morning market. We're looking for a place to have breakfast. Look at the size of these avocados. Wow. Wow, these look so delicious. The intestines are delicious. Here's another food vendor. Ooh, chicken. You want to just eat here? Yeah. Only in the vegetable. The three of us are having piek, and I'm not sure where everyone else is.
No meat. No meat.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna be seated.
What's until lunch? Goes until lunch.
How is it? And then King got her egg.
My veggie copia. You want
Add
some
a little chili
pepper?
oil.
This is good.
I'm gonna add just a little bit more chili pepper. Okay, so for a bowl of kopia here, it's 15,000 kip, which estimates to how much in USD?
About 50.
Yeah, about
41. 41. Love is 41.
So all the kopia I've had here so far, very delicious. I think that's one of the meals that I'm gonna be missing when I head back home. And I like the noodles the most here. We're all getting snacks for the road. I'm trying a fried banana, it's super delicious. How is it, King?
It's good.
Look, you guys. It's so crispy like fried chicken, but just like it's vegetarian.
Nhớ rồi, cả chợ bên nhớ tờ upper Malu morning market. Có tờ order cho. Ở trên này tờ cậu in the morning and all fresh. Cái sự nó ngon đấy.
The one I call I do not like. It's very thick.
Cái này lâu cái cho nó một chút gì mà một khứ đấy. Lúc họ lên stain này đây à.
I have cough drops if you need it. Asian cough drops. We're here at Kuang's Fall.
Hey, confirm with everybody, please, Lou. Okay, everybody's gonna be thirsty.
And we're getting our pictures in before we head in.
Hands back on more. Right there. Everybody right there.
For 20,000 kip, you'll get a ticket to enter and you'll be on your way hiking up to the waterfall.
Where are you going? Get your spot. Hey, you're blocking 10 people. Okay.
I go under.
You look huge right there. You squat.
Just stay there. I'll sit down with you.
Okay.
We're going in. There's a bear zoo here.
His name is Calm.
Oh, this one is Calm?
They all look the same. Which one's
I
which?
know, we don't know. Mood.
Well, he's...
You stupid or something? That's not a punching bag. That's a donation.
That really hurted. Ouch. Oh my god. What is wrong with me? Yeah. So we started at 9:45 and let's see how long this hike takes us. Our group is pretty slow with all the pictures they're taking. I hear water. Wow. Let's go. Yepo. Wow. So this is the first swimming area that we see. And because we're here in the dry season, the water is really nice and blue. Test it. Is it cold?
I think it's kind of okay. It's not
Good?
freezing, yeah.
Because it's our first time here, everyone is so amazed by everything. So it goes all the way up there. If you guys ever do this, be very careful. Oh my god. Okay, Matthew and I are heading back down. Just in case they're looking for us and didn't know we went ahead. We have regrouped. Angel's taking the lead now. We're choosing the right. And let's see where it leads us to. I'm enjoying it so far. It's warming up here. Yeah, my hair's back up. Prepare you guys selves when you guys get here. Look. Woo. We still have a long ways to go, you guys. What's over there? Welcome to my home. Woo! Feels good up here with the breeze. There's a waterfall over here. On this side is a little pond. Angel and Matthew just hopped in. Woo! How was the water? So good. Should I get in, you guys? Should I? We worked our way up, now we're working our way down this steep hill to reach the waterfall. It's really scary.
Holy shit, I can't imagine climbing back up these stairs.
The thought of it already scares me. Really steep. We're officially lost. Matthew, Angel, and I. So we're backtracking back up the steeps. Your song came on. I just want to swim and see the waterfall. Found them. Yeah. So apparently there's nothing up here.
You guys too late already.
But we did get lost. But now we're just gonna head back down. 11:30. Wow!
You okay?
Wow.
That was hilarious.
That's my luck. My glasses.
I even filmed it.
Okay, it's 11:31. And we're getting ready to swim at this first pool.
Are you sure we're on?
I'm like so cold. Oh my god! I'm finding a rock. I got a rock. You guys almost witnessed me drown. You guys see the fishes? They're nibbling on my toes.
Yeah.
How cool. cold. I just missed myself falling, but even harder than the first time. My knee! That's so funny. Ah! That's like a timer. Oh. There's a lot of people at this pool. I guess this is the main pool to swim in. So I'm gonna swim my way over there and hopefully I don't drown or hurt myself. Ah! I'm paddling backwards over there. I'm hitting you. Oh, we're pretty close. Okay, you got it. You got it. Just keep going up and down. You got it. Oh, here. I'm good. You good? Yeah, I got tired. Here we are. Yeah. I will go behind the waterfall. We're under the waterfall. I can officially say I swam in the Kuang waterfall. I think we're officially done swimming. Despite tripping and falling, the water was really refreshing. Hey, would you do this again? Yes, all fun. Alright, we're done.
What's that?
Okay, I think we're gonna head. Woo,
Oh, potato chips?
we're gonna leave and head back to our house.